Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a special glow, an aura of confidence that attracts attention and opens doors? The answer may lie in well-being. When we feel good inside and out, our self-confidence flourishes and the world around us responds to that positive energy. This product is a true ally in your quest for well-being. With natural and proven ingredients, it optimizes your digestion, promoting an internal balance that reflects in radiant and healthy skin. Imagine yourself with the tranquility of a harmonious, digestive system and the magnetism that comes from soft and well-cared-for skin. This powerful combination prepares you to face the challenges of everyday life, allowing you to shine in all areas of your life. Imagine yourself radiant, full of disposition, energy, and self-confidence, ready to conquer your goals and open doors to new interactions in your life. This product can be an ally in this process, helping you unlock your maximum potential. Don't wait any longer to feel in control of your life. Invest in your well-being, invest in yourself, and enhance all your relationships. Click the link in the description and discover how this product can help you on the path to balanced digestion and radiant skin. Give yourself a gift.
The PRIMEBIOME is an innovative probiotic supplement developed to balance gut and skin health, promoting overall well-being from the inside out. Its advanced formula stimulates cell renewal, replacing old cells with new ones, resulting in healthier skin with a more youthful and radiant appearance. Manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, PRIMEBIOME undergoes rigorous quality control testing to ensure safety and efficacy. The supplement is free from harsh chemicals, additives, stimulants, and GMOs, minimizing the risk of side effects. Each bottle contains 30 easy-to-take gummies, making supplementation practical and enjoyable. How does PRIMEBIOME work? Skin health is directly linked to the balance of the gut microbiome. PRIMEBIOME contains a powerful blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and antioxidants that restore gut health, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammation. As a result, the skin becomes clearer, more hydrated, and resistant to signs of aging, such as fine lines and dullness. Additionally, the antioxidants in the formula protect skin cells from oxidative stress and UV damage, while the probiotics aid digestion, alleviating issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. This dual-action approach enhances skin beauty and digestive balance, contributing to a youthful appearance and lasting well-being. Key ingredients in PRIMEBIOME. Each ingredient in PRIMEBIOME has been carefully selected to provide synergistic benefits for gut and skin health. Bacillus coagulans, B. coagulans, a probiotic known to improve gut health, reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, bloating, and gas. It also strengthens the skin's natural barrier and increases hydration. Babchi, a plant rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. It stimulates collagen production, protects the skin from environmental stressors, and evens skin tone. Dandelion, a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative damage, fights sun damage, and slows signs of aging. It also helps develop beneficial gut bacteria. Fennel, with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, it supports the health of the intestinal lining, reduces bloating, and helps treat skin infections. Inulin, a natural prebiotic extracted from chicory root, it promotes the growth of good gut bacteria, improves digestion, and increases skin hydration. Fenugreek, packed with essential nutrients, it aids digestion, removes dead skin cells, and combats free radical damage while maintaining the skin's natural pH balance. How to take PRIMEBIOME. For best results, take 1 gummy per day, preferably at the same time every day. Consistency is key to experiencing all the benefits of the supplement. Where to buy PRIMEBIOME? To ensure you receive the original and high-quality PRIMEBIOME supplement, it is available only on the official website provided by the manufacturer. Purchasing from this exclusive source guarantees authenticity and safety. Additionally, the manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you do not see the expected results, you can request a refund within this period. PRIMEBIOME is the ultimate solution for those looking to improve gut health and achieve naturally glowing skin. Its unique formula works from the inside out, promoting digestive balance and skin rejuvenation. Order yours today and experience the transformation in your well-being and appearance. Go ahead, take advantage of the promotion, click the link in the description, and get yours. Thank you for watching the video.